Hello! In this video we will see how a faculty member runs a live case study during class and how mentees participate and view their results. First, log in using your faculty credentials. After login, you will be redirected to the faculty dashboard. Scroll down to see the active case studies assigned to students. Select the case study and click View Case Study. The assigned case page opens. To start the session, click Live Class. Click Join Room to enter the live classroom. The live classroom is now created, and the faculty can control the session. Now let's see how mentees join and participate in the live case study. Students log in using their mentee credentials. From the dashboard menu, click Case Studies, then select Case Study Details. Select the assigned case and click View Case Study, then click Simulate Case to join the session. Mentees now wait for the questions enabled by the faculty. The faculty enables questions from the live class dashboard. The faculty can ask MCQ or subjective questions in real time and set the timing. Mentees answer the questions within the given time. The faculty can view student responses in real time, increasing classroom engagement. With graphs and analytics, faculty can easily understand class engagement and student performance. After the class ends, the faculty can click the View button to see the result page of an individual student. Faculty view results and update marks if needed. Then the faculty publishes the results. Mentees can view their results from the Case Studies menu by selecting Results. This completes the live case study session process for both faculty and mentees. Thank you for watching this video.